Hey, happy 4th of July, my YouTube subscribers. We're at Southeast Park in Amarillo, Texas, and get out of my shot, please. Thank you. Okay, so I guess we're going to start off by doing one. Hold the camera down so it doesn't fall. Thank you very much.
I think it was better if you take that out there.
Well, see, I thought right there, right before you get to the
Start off with my friend's quest, one of my friend's requests called Texas Star. Yeah, someone requested this one. This damn thing's loud, man. Crackles. There's your request. This is another request, giant octopus. That's it? That was $16 of my money?
It was? Get away from that car! Hey, watch out the car over there.
Hey, isn't off flammable?
I would say probably.
Was it okay that we have it on our hands lighting fireworks?
I don't think it would hurt. Hey, don't point it towards that car. I don't care.
Where are they handicapped and put right there in front of the dock? That would make. I can be handicapped. That would make like a cool. Hey Shane, do you like the guy that has the broom?
No. It's a flying saucer!
No, don't get near it. What if it does it at the end, dummy?
It won't fly up, idiot. I saw a video of it. How do you get closer? Shit! Oh, let's go mobile with this thing. I'm gonna tripod for this. I'm just using my hand. Here, push it. Light this big one, and you can't.
Son of a bitch.
Too windy.
No, it's windy.
Dad said to go pick it up. Oh, there it goes. What? It's supposed to shoot in the air. Whoa!
Yeah. There's one. Shane, you go first.
Yeah.
It's on fire.
It is? How's it on fire?
Oh, dude.
It's flaming!
There you go.
Oh.
Nice.
Sure is. It's gonna be like a flare. It's all moving.
Dad, Dang, where's the fuse on this?
I don't know. You gotta find them. Rip the package open, dude. I don't know if the cops are gonna come.
I don't worry about that.
Super real for sure. Run for it!
Really light them.
Oh, my brain.
What does that one do?
No! That was the one I bought. It's just heating up. This is the Galaxy. And this is a wiener fighting a parachute.
Hey, wait a minute. Move!
And there goes the parachute into the lake.
Pretty cool.
Now let's light the Galaxy up.
Yes. Ooh, right here?
Yeah.
Do you mind, sir? Shall I do the honors?
Yes, you have the honors. I need a big.
Get away!
Get away, away.
Move! Oh, it's dead. Somebody go pick it up.
Whoa!
For it.
It's it. It's done. Head for the hills. I have no clue what this one's gonna do. Go way the hell up.
Oh my God!
It don't go up very high. Back it up, everybody.
You know what's love DC?
Alright, see what this one's got.
Supposed to shoot in the air.
I know that's what that dude said.
Maybe it does.
Maybe it will.
Let's do it fast and go!
For some reason, I doubt it. You want to do the party at the Alamo?
Yeah. It's battle at the Alamo.
Yeah, all business at the front.
No, let's do the jumbo bombshell. Bill, come here.
Where's
What?
come on, man, we need a lot better shot than this.
What's on back here?
We need pictures.
Alright, I'll just
I'm getting pictures.
Kids?
Tell me they're like teenagers and they're shooting each other.
We got a drunk dude here. Yeah. Say hello, Tim.
Hello, Tim. Is that on
Hello,
night vision?
Tim.
So basically green.
I don't know.
Oh, this is better on the profile.
It's not gonna do anything. Just spark what it comes with.
Yeah, that's all it is. No, I know I used to have one. I used to have two of them. Come on, buddy. I think you should use it.
What?
Whoa!
What was that?
No, it's supposed to do that.
No, I don't think it jumped over.